how to fix your Discovery Plus error code. So let's get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of common error codes that occurs occasionally. The first is going to be error code 16, which is playback error, error code 71, which is network error code 72, which is content not available, error code 73, which is authorization error code 83, which is server error. Now we're going to be looking at exactly how you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and try to restart your device itself, your phone, your tablet, streaming device, or smart TV, and try again. If that is not the case, you want to also try updating the Discovery Plus application from your App Store or Play Store, or if you're on an Android device, simply go to Settings, Apps, Discovery Plus, and try to clear cache. If none of it is working, try signing out and signing back in, or even reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.